I want to do a quick video about the Roomba i8, the brush replacement parts. The genuine part is pretty damn expensive, like $34. And on Amazon have plenty of those cheaper options for replacements. But the issue is that these parts actually don't fit very well, so it's badly designed. The part where, for at least for the Roomba i8, the cheap replacement parts that often throws you an error after just few minutes of vacuuming, showing that error type 2, where green brushes you think it's stuck, couldn't move. So it's really not a good replacement parts. Really, it's not very good design, so it doesn't really work well. So one way is just buy the genuine part that costs 3 times more. I create a temporary solution where on these edges, I just scissors cut off a little bit more. Like in these edges, I just use scissors to cut these sections off a little bit with scissor. And then for now, at least it's not throwing me any errors, and then able to vacuum the house properly. This is like a cheap way of fix if people run into similar issues, buying the cheap replacement rollers for the Roomba i8 vacuum cleaners.